Where are you, Farmer Chris?
Yeah, we're here at the Wirrina Breakfree Wirrina Aqua Golf Country Club.
Or something like that.
Yeah, it's very close. But yeah, that's what it is. It's a huge, ginormous complex. Full golf course, got all sorts here. Swimming pool, blah, blah, blah. I think there's only about 8 people staying here at the moment. So we're being spoiled.
Morning, Beaks. Today's ride, we're off to Wirrina Cove. Just a short one, but a beautiful one. Enjoy the ride.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song? 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape, I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. I'm still in this fight. I pray for the night to go easy on me. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do
Oh, baby, we are a Polaroid, steady, trapped in a void, countless hours without sleep, unaware, baby, we're just like
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.